go down here. Let's see. What can you see? Okay, there's a sticker. Okay, Brantley. The walk. Walk to it. No, no, no. Walk. Walk, Brantley, walk. You can do it. Walk, 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 walk. Very good. Yay! Do, 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 do. All right, go see it. Go see it. Now you can do it by yourself. You got it. Go. Go. Yeah. Oh. No, no, no. You gotta walk. You gotta walk to it, Brantley. Walk. Walk to it, Brantley. Walk. Oh, good. Yay. So watch out, Ducker. So get out the way, Ducker. I'm walking. Walk to it, Brantley. Can you walk to it? Go see what's over there. No, you can do it. You don't need me. Look, let's see. Yay! Go, Brantley, walking man. Hello. Can you say cheese? What? Let me see those teeth. Stand right there. Okay, I come right here. Come here, Brantley.
I was working the day shift out of Rocky when the call came in. My partner Ben got it. My name is Sergeant Thursday. I'm a policeman.
Brantley's watching Sesame Street picking his nose.
What does this say the guy we're after looks like this?
Okay.
Brantley.
It'd be too hard to pick up with that line down here. This line up again. Then
Brantley.
down again, then up again.
Can you walk over this way? Walk. 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 Ooh, you made it. Oh, so good.